Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use the ODA Components Inventory module. This is one of several data view modules available for you to use on CurateFx. This data view provides an inventory of reference ODA components grouped by functional blocks. It also provides the mapping of product catalog management ODA components with ETOM, process elements, SID, ABE, TM Forum Open API, and events produced and consumed. Each of these groups contain elements. We can see elements have been tagged with colors, stakeholders, and products and services. We can gather more information on these by clicking on the element. This will open the Properties panel. Here we can see the name of the element, the assigned stakeholders and products and services, and the color tag assigned to it. To customize the color tag, we can click on the cog in the top right and enter the desired text for the label. Once we have tagged a few elements with colors, stakeholders, and products and services, we can make use of the filter. Here we can select between an and or operator. We can select a color or several, and the same applies for stakeholders and products and services. Once we have these selected, click Apply Filter, and we'll see all of the filtered items. After this, when we're done with the filter, we can click the Reset. Another useful feature in this module is the export. Here we can export all tagged elements to PDF, CSV, or Word. Thank you for watching.